We're asked to find the value of this composite function, the tan inverse of 5. Now, the first thing we have to be careful about is that the number 5, the argument, is in the domain of the inner function. Okay, 5 is an element of the domain of tan inverse, which is R, all real numbers. That means that the tan of tan inverse of 5 is equal to 5. It's a simple cancellation. Tan and tan inverse cancel. How about the sine inverse of the sine of negative pi over 6? Let's check to see if we can do the fast cancellation. Negative pi over 6 is an element of the domain of the inner function sine. The domain of the inner function is negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, and pi over 6 lives there. That implies we can do a simple cancellation. Sine inverse of sine, they cancel, and you just get equal to negative pi over 6. One more try. How about the cosine inverse of 2 over 3? Okay, since 2 over 3 is an element of the domain of cosine inverse, the inner function. And what is the domain of cosine inverse? It's the closed interval from negative 1 to 1. Yes, 2 over 3 lives on that interval. That implies that we can cancel. So it is the cosine inverse of 2 over 3 is simply equal to the canceling leaves 2 over 3. Very nice. Moral of the story, when the value, the argument, 5 for the first one, negative pi over 6 for the second one, 2/3 for the third one, when they live in the domain of the inner function, you can do a really quick cancellation of the inverse functions.